Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mike. Today I'm going to review this little hot plate I got. I needed it for a project. I bought this at Family Dollar. It was an even $10. I think that's their regular price. It's made by Bene Casa, which probably I think it means good house, but anyways, the single burner. It's 1,000 watt. If you look at the box here, if you need to, you can pause. This is the back of the box. Everything that it says on it. Kind of out of room here. My tripod broke. Kind of got my camera on a makeshift deal here. So that's that. It's 1,000 watt. Here's the info. I'm gonna read that and the other little deal. It's a model number BC 99700. So there's that. The box itself measures 10 1/4 by 11, 3 inches tall or thick. So I already checked it out. Go ahead and open it up here. It's packaged fairly well. This, I don't know what happened there. That was that way when I got it. It's got 2 books, or 2 little things. That's the instruction manual. Different language, Spanish, I think. And then the warranty card. It all comes inside here. Now let's see. Set that aside. It's fairly well protected when it comes. Get this stuff out of the way here. Alright. So that's this here. It's a little drip pan. The burner. That's the front. Got a knob. Temperature. It's got 1 through 5. This is 1,000 watt hot plate or element. All this surface is going to get hot, I'm pretty sure. We'll test it out. That's the bottom. You could read that. And that's about it. That's where the cord comes in. The cord is not very hard. It's a kind of a flexible one, which I kind of like. It doesn't fight you. The cord itself is, let's see here. The cord is 37 inches long. It's kind of hard, like I said, my tripod, but anyways, it measures. It's a 3-foot long cord. The burner itself, and this was my main concern on how big this burner was before I bought it. you can see it's not very big. I mean, the part where you're going to put your pot on is actually 5.5 inches, you know, round. It's not very 5 3/4 that way. It's an element, you know. So you can't put, I'm sure, very big pots on it. And I'll move this over to the stove, plug it in, and we'll see how different pot sits on it. Okay, I'm back at the stove. I plugged it in. And obviously, why would you want a hot plate on top of a stove when the stove works? This is just so that I can show you somewhere safe. Okay, so now the cord, I got it plugged in. Now, like I said, the element's not very big. But this is my favorite skillet. This is my Lodge cast iron. Now, this skillet is a number 8, and I think it's got a 10 1/4 inch opening for that skillet. It's really heavy, and I mean, and it's pretty sturdy. It doesn't wobble around. If you can cook on that without a problem. But that's a very heavy skillet. Now I have this regular normal one. This is one of those big Texas size skillets. That sits pretty good too, but the element being so small around, and if your pots are abused and old like mine, you might get a little wobble, but it would still work in a pinch. And I got a smaller one here. This looks more like the picture on the box, this size. And I don't even know what size skillet that is, but it would also work. All this flapping around, I think, is mainly the pots and pans, because this is actually pretty sturdy. And then you probably want like a small 2/4 like this. Actually, this fits really nice. It's the same size as the thing. So I'm sure it'll work fine. I can turn it on and we'll boil some water, and we'll see how long that takes. Okay, I got 3.5 or about 3 cups of water in this. We'll see how long it takes. When I first turned it on, the light comes on there, and I put it on high, which is 5. It did smoke a little bit, probably burning off all the oils and stuff from shipping and manufacturing, which is kind of normal. So just bear that in mind when you first plug it in. And we're going to time and see how long it takes to heat or boil 3 cups of water. And we'll be right back. Okay, and just to show you real quick, water is beginning to kind of boil. Now this thing comes on and off to maintain the temperature. It doesn't stay at constant, probably so it doesn't melt itself down. But I do have it on 5, and it's been 11 minutes 20 seconds so far, and it still hasn't boiled 3 cups of water. So we'll see how much longer it takes. Okay, the water's finally boiling. It has been 17 minutes 18 seconds. And stop. That's where I stopped it at. But I did have to cover the pot to get the water to boil. If you can see, it's boiling in there. I don't want to fog up the lens, but I did have to cover it because it just was not, it was not boiling the water with the pot uncovered. And that's 3 cups of, it was 3 cups of cold water right from the tap. So this surface does get pretty hot, but it is stable, so you can cook on it, you know. So if your stovetop breaks or needs to get repaired or whatever's going on, this will get you by. I mean, I think it's worth the 10 bucks, you know, for an emergency. It's okay. So I'm going to use it to, I'm building a homemade dehydrator out of an old bullet smoker. I'll probably make a video on that, on how I'm using this. But I hope that helps. If you had seen this and needed a hot plate or something or other, hope it helps you out. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Bye.